Let me show you what's going on here. I'm going to get a stick. It have on the green skin, but you can't see it so clearly. And it have on the black skin one. These are the green skin one. And if you look clearly, you can see a black skin one here. Yeah?
Come a piece of stick, me a piece.
Oh, what you stick me, viewers?
Because you see, we have to use your brain wisely, you know. You can't climb so we make long stick.
Yes.
You can't climb so we make long stick.
Yes.
You can't climb so we make long stick.
Yeah. It is America. Don't move.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back. This one is miracle. This one is a miracle. Do you ever see a star apple tree? The one tree, it have on the black skin star apple and it have on the green skin star apple. Stick and stay. It is a miracle. Don't move. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, my viewers, but I'm going to get a tick in on my viewers. Let me show you what's going on here. I'm going to get a stick. It have on the green skin, but you can't see it so clearly. And it have on the black skin one. Yeah, the two of them. And I'm going to get a stick, you know, to see if I can pick one of the black one and one of the green one, the green skin one, to show you guys. Trust me, it is a miracle. And this man have it inside. I'm in yard, you know.
Yeah, general say for call you know, because you know, say you're real top of the line. People, miracles still happen, yeah?
All right. You hear that, my viewers? Let me show you the tree of the root of the tree, not the tree of the root. You know, sometimes my words them collapse. Yes, look at the root of the tree here, my viewers. It is one tree. As you can see, it is one tree, my viewers, but it grow up in branches here. You know what I mean? So yes, as I was saying, it have the black skin and it have the green skin star apple. So don't worry, I'm going to get a stick to pick two, a green one and a black skin.
Look at my piece of stick, me a piece.
Oh, what you stick, my viewers?
Because you see, we have to use your brain wisely, you know.
Yes.
You can't climb so we make long stick.
Yeah, this one is a carpenter, you know.
Yeah.
You see what's going on, my viewers?
You broke off yesterday, I have got a minute back. You broke off yesterday, you know.
Okay.
A minute back.
Yeah, for real.
I make you get, you see the picture in real life, you know.
All right. Yes, my viewers, you don't know it's all about it, eh? That's why it meant, you know. The boss screw up him stick, you know. You know what I mean, man? For real, man. For real, man. Yeah. So give the viewers them your name, no, man.
I never remember what they call me, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm still, you know.
But at the Rasta really bike,
Yeah.
you know.
Them call me Rasta, but me the trim still, and me still have the art, you know.
I mean.
Yeah, righteousness we say still here.
All right. And the art, under the ear, do it, you know, the art, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers. Don't know if you can see, but I want to zoom in to show you a clip of the black skin one. Those are the black skin. And over here you can see the green skin, the brown color one, it is the ripe one. But the one that look very green is green, alright? Yeah, but don't worry, yeah? Yeah man, boss you put a stick together, Rasta put a stick together, my viewers. Yeah, show you what's going on, yeah man. I want three of my people, a miracle. Miracle still going on Jamaica, we never know. My God, man. You see, I will want to get one for show you, know, my viewers, but stick and stay, you know, because I'm going to show you this evening somewhere, somehow. Yeah? Alright, look. These are the green skin one. Yeah, man. So trust me, and if you look clearly, you can see a black skin one here. Yeah? For real, man. So you see it on Jamaican Farmers Hut, you know. Because when it comes to Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about you are here to learn something, don't it? Yeah, man. So don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you hit the star apple, you're not gonna see the next video coming out. So hit the notification bell. All right, stick and stay, because I'm gonna show you the star apple. Okay? Yeah, Rasta. Yes, Rasta. Get a stick. All right, my viewers. They're gonna pick one, you know. They're gonna pick one of the brown one first. One of the brown one. Come catch in a row me. Yeah, a Pakistan a play for?
West Indies.
Ah, West Indies, alright. Let's see if you can catch. Alright, me view.
Well out of reach.
God.
But it's good.
Alright, so we can catch up on camera?
It's good.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
It's good.
Look my viewers. Look my viewers. This is
Very,
one
very
of
good.
This is one of the green skin one.
I want a green skin.
Yeah.
Yeah man. You first bust in that two and give me half, brother.
So this is the ripe one, yeah?
Yeah.
This is what it look like. Get the better half for your video.
Alright. Yes, my viewers, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers. Alright, we have to go pick a black one now. Yes, my viewers.
Me tell me can't catch it. What
Nice man.
I don't want I high one there. You have to see close one.
Yeah man. We have to go try pick a black one now.
You see it, man?
Green skin one here, sweet. Take time with it. A pear leaf you pick. Pear leaf you pick, Rasta. I want a nice black one in my viewers. Just don't see it when you drop. Nice black one here. And look fat too, you know, man. Like it have some fat. Hey! Drop a ground, my viewers, but no, don't worry.
All good.
Yeah. Bust it, what you get in here and show them. Look, my viewers.
All good. Black
Inside
skin.
purple.
Black skin.
Yeah, because you see inside purple.
Yes, yes.
Rasta, feel time.
Yeah, man,
Alright. You see that?
me have a chi out there, is it? I don't face it. Me have a
For
chi
real,
out
for
there.
You
real.
don't want to be mean to the Rasta.
No, you can't mean to me and me have a chi in my yard.
For real,
I
for
mean,
real.
if you don't mean to the other, me see it. Big up for yourself, viewers.
What you,
I
man?
laugh like we have a kid in the teeth. So.
Fabulous.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
For real.
This is, it's like dessert.
Yeah.
Sweet.
My
The
God.
best.
Mm-mm.
The best.
Yes, my viewers, you see that? This is the dark skin one. You know what I mean? You see, whenever they joke. Yeah, whenever they joke.
Why you good me along tick ya?
The Rasta they pick one more the black one. Cause like the black one sweet, I know.
What?
Green skin one them they way up in the top.
These called sugar mama.
Yes, my viewers. You hear? Sugar mama, them one here. Oh,
This one solid.
yeah. Yes, my viewers. Look at that.
Very good.
That one is the dark skin one. The dark skin girl is that. Whoa, one more. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. My God. Why may I tell you?
This one crack.
But look up.
That's me too one. That's why I never.
My God. See all the green skin one against the black one there. Boy, this tree is a miracle. Yes, sir. This is it.
Three together.
Yes, this is it, my viewers. This is it.
Star rapper.
Yeah, man, for real. All right, the Rasta saying go get two of the green skin one them now. We put with those black dark color skin one.
Yep. Then what on there? And the one a 2 color tree grow.
Yeah,
A tree in grass.
it looks so.
This is an in grass.
It looks or something wrong. I don't know what happened, but something goes wrong.
Two different apples.
Yeah, but how comes it grew up in a one tree?
In grass.
In graph. Catch him! you play for Zimbabwe, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. All right, viewers. That is a green skin one. Yo, viewers, me I tell you no. Miracle. Yeah, man. Miracle, me I tell you. Yes.
Everybody surprised about that tree, you know?
For
I
real.
don't know if I'm bringing blessing come here, but me come see it yourself.
For real. When you're righteous, that's how things happen, man.
Yeah, man, with the right.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, mama.
Chow, you use one nigga and pick it out.
So forward. We're up on that mission, you know. You see me? Yeah. Hey.
Yes,
Give him a
viewers.
nice star apple.
For real, man. Yes, viewers. I'm going to show you the tree root again. I'm going to show you the tree root again. I'm not a joke.
I didn't want.
See there. all in one, me viewers. One tree. Me I go right round. Come on, you see. Me don't want to say me hide a tree. See it? Me not hide no tree, me viewers. See there? Right round, me viewers. Look here now. One guinea tree there inside here, so you know, one guinea tree there grow inside here, so. So sooner or later, you soon have guinea tree. You soon have guinea start to bear with the two color syrup. So it's set up a Jamaica with a whole miracle happens here. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. Rasta try pick a green skin one. Whoa. You feel like it one more, no, man. Give me one of me, man. I'm not joke with fruit to them. It's a fruit, guys. What I say? And me, it's a fruit. Alright. How you mean, man? Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Alright. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Leave me to hit the star apple. Alright. Whoa. Yeah, that brown one.
Money well, right? Like one black one.
Yeah, because me notice you see a green skin one and then look you see a black skin one. Whoa. Ay. No good.
It's not good.
No good. Overripe.
I'm all this.
Whoa. My people, make a show now a plant here. My viewers. This is Single Bible. Yeah? You guys call it aloe vera. Single Bible. Very good, you know. Yeah, man. You cut off the skin, wash it, and then you blend the inside, the gel part. Yeah, man. Nice to drink too, you know. For real. Some people say it's bitter, but it is the skin that bitter. You know what I mean? Yeah. For real. Single Bible. Aloe vera.
Single Bible good for pressure.
And
it clean up your system.
I mean, a whole part thing Single Bible good for.
So Single Bible good for pressure, diabetes, and it purge the blood.
Right.
So you know the spot that comes on your face, they call it shitting cloud.
Yeah.
The Single Bible will remove all of those things.
Kill worms same way, yeah.
And if you have worms, Single Bible, get rid of it all.
Yeah, for
Everything
real.
gone.
For real, you hear that, my viewers?
Natural remedy.
Yeah, man, the whole of we are bush doctor, you know.
Yeah.
Man, the whole of we are bush doctor, yeah. Yeah, man, give me one black skin one. Yeah, around pretty no, brown skin one, I mean. I love it brown in them, you know. Yo! Can choose. My viewers, one tree, and you can choose. Not green or ripe, you know. You can choose a green skin or a brown skin one. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, my viewers. If you're new here, if it is the first time here, my name is Ever Slick. And you're tuning in on Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright? Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, alright?
See a black skin one.
Yes, it's shiny, man.
Yes, I shine.
Shine like guillotine. One black skin one.
Alright, I'm going to pick one green skin one beside it.
Alright, that one black skin one, but you're going to pick a green skin one beside it. Yeah?
The black skin first.
Oh, the black skin first. Yes. Yes, my viewers, see there? That is a black skin. Black skin.
Overripe.
Yeah.
This is just pure honey.
I can't content my viewers. I have to just eat and look. The only way out for me. My God.
I see him let me pick the green skin one.
Yeah, the black and the green skin one for the same limb. I just figure out.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. This tree.
This is an ingraft.
This tree is a miracle tree.
A two different grade.
Yeah, something can go wrong there.
Yeah, two different grades.
Look on this one. It's sweet till it split.
Because am I blessing Germany tree, you know? Yeah, I never seen one like this before.
A long time this tree there. If you went to bear this way, we don't know.
A whole heap of people who born and grow and never see it.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what kind of blessing me bring in our place.
Yeah, me, man. Friend righteous, righteous,
Yeah,
you know.
man, I love you, know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. No,
Mm.
I don't know who you are, my G. Yeah, you know, we never sell none, we just give people, you see me?
For real.
And we give to treat them be more, you see it?
Mm-hmm. Only be out.
Yeah, man. Blessed, blessed. Yeah, man, and give thanks for your video, man.
Mm-hmm.
But they even call your name, they know your name already.
Yeah.
Mr. Monday.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad you're forward, you know.
Yeah,
If
me know.
they tell you by shit, you wouldn't believe. And if they tell people, they wouldn't believe. Them see the chief for themselves, don't.
Achoo.
Oneness.
How you mean, man? Eyes is world of blessings.
Yeah,
Yes.
man.
Yes, my people, you don't know it's all about Jamaican farmers. So don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And if you kind of get Josie and want to watch the next video, you can watch this one here. If not, you watch this one over here. All right? Peace. My name is Ever Slick and I'm out.